BMW's fault code P10E7 points to an issue with the valvetronic system, specifically a problem with the motor that controls the variable valve lift. Let's break this down step by step so you can understand what's happening and how to potentially fix it. The valvetronic system controls the engine's intake valves, regulating airflow without using the throttle body. When working correctly, it improves fuel efficiency and performance. The P10E7 fault code means there's likely a problem with the motor that adjusts this system, causing issues with engine performance. The most common causes of this fault include a malfunctioning valvetronic motor, electrical issues like corroded or loose wiring, a weak or failing battery, and a problem with the engine control unit, ECU. First, it's important to perform a basic check before diving into repairs. Check your battery. A weak battery can cause the valvetronic motor to act up. Use a multimeter to ensure your battery is providing the proper voltage. Inspect wiring and connections. Look for any damaged or corroded wires leading to the valvetronic motor. Pay attention to loose connections which can trigger this fault code. Scan for other fault codes. Sometimes, additional fault codes can give more context. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for related codes that might reveal deeper issues. In some cases, a simple reset of the valvetronic system may fix the issue temporarily. Here's how to do it. Turn the ignition to position 2 without starting the engine. Press the gas pedal all the way down for 30 seconds. Release the pedal and turn off the ignition. Start the engine to see if the code resets. If the fault persists, the valvetronic motor itself may need to be replaced. This involves removing the valve cover to access the motor and replacing it with a new one. If you're not experienced with engine repairs, it's a good idea to have a mechanic handle this step. Mistakes can lead to further issues. After replacing the motor or addressing any wiring or battery issues, clear the fault codes using an OBD2 scanner. Drive the car for a short distance and monitor for any warning lights or performance problems. If the fault doesn't return, you've likely resolved the issue. If you're still experiencing issues after these steps, it's time to consult a certified BMW mechanic. The P10E7 code might be a symptom of a more complex engine problem that requires specialized tools or knowledge.